Hello everyone, welcome to Victory Point.
Today we'll talk about an internship opportunity in product management at ticket.com. So let's start. Ticket.com, a leading online travel booking platform, is currently seeking a product management intern for their pricing team.
As an intern, you will have the opportunity to work closely with the project management team and gain valuable experience in product strategy, pricing analysis, and market research.
What are the requirements? University student majoring in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. Having data analysis and SQL skills. Passionate in the product management field. So if you're looking to jumpstart your career in product management and gain hands-on experience at a leading tech company, head over to the link given in the description and apply today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Stay tuned for more career tips and job opportunities from Victory.